Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram photo comments not showing after post it? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all find Instagram apps and then long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Scroll down and go to storage option. Now clear cache your Instagram storage. Click on clear cache option. Don't click on clear data option. Now go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram and then update your Instagram apps in latest version if available any update version. After completing update process, now open Instagram. And see still photo comments not showing. If you still want to see photo comments, long press on the blank space next to the comments. After long press on the blank space, you will see the photo comments. Actually, this is an app glitch. After few days, it will be solved automatically.